Hello! The rehearsal went well today. I was able to work out all of my choreography for the two big fight scenes, and we took some promotional photos for Instagram. It was both an exciting but laid-back day. Nothing too special happened outside of that, although I did get an amazing almond blueberry salad for lunch. Again, not too much for me to tell, but I have to wonder if Ladybug will visit again. I want to see her soon, and not just while fighting Akumas. I'll write again tomorrow, record book. Adrien Agreste.